Yeah, guy, hold your horses because OpenAI just released a new API that actually gonna improve terminalGPT, and I have to go back and do another video about. So what is this new API? So if you saw last week, or if you're not seeing what's going on, so OpenAI just created a ChatGPT and Whisper API. So what that means, well, OpenAI create a new model called GPT 3.5 Turbo, and then this model actually we can use a new API called Chat Completion, and we can actually add the message the way I was adding the context of the message into terminalGPT, and receiving the answer and getting a better answers based on context. So that's really nice. And actually we have now the a variable where we can actually add the system, user, and assistant. So the users is the prompt coming from you, the assistant is the prompt that actually is the answer from ChatGPT, and system actually is an instruction you can give under the hood to OpenAI to give you a proper way to give an answer. So for example, let's go back to my code here. When I use create completion, I ask actually to OpenAI to wrap blocker code exactly with triple backticks. So we can use this now as the system instruction, and the context now and the message, it can be our context plus our last prompt. So that's pretty much I believe I'm gonna be doing right now. And I'm gonna sit here, do a little bit of coding, and then I'm gonna go back to you and show what I've discovered and see if terminalGPT actually is gonna be improved with this new API, right? And I see you pretty soon. Hey guys, I think I've made it, and well, it works really nice. So let's show you guys how it's working right now. So a few changes I've made. I removed a lot of stuff. So now our GPT, it works a little bit, looks like a little bit like this. And yeah, so I now have the create chat completion. I passed the model, I passed the messages, and the context is getting pretty well. So the context here, I created an array now, and now every time I add a new context, I add into the array, and I get the context to send on the messages. And when we got the response, we got the message back. So we add this to the context, we return what is the message, and now I simplify now. I just send the object back here, and I didn't want to look much on this. I just passed into an array here, and then now it's writing properly. So let's go here, and well, as you can see here, it's working properly. But let's see if the ChatGPT, the terminalGPT can do our code a little bit better. Rewrite the code in JavaScript. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah. Oh, that's it. And perfectly now there's the clipboard where you can copy the code. So like if I copy here, so you're gonna copy this guy here, and if I paste in here, voila, it's the code is there. Cool, pretty cool, isn't it? Oh yeah, that's very nice. I like it a lot. and now we have a better integration with the ChatGPT API. So yeah, that's amazing, and I believe now we don't need anymore to create our own context and fine-tuning any model, so we don't need to do this anymore. And we cleared up a little bit of code now, and we don't need now to have some of the variables we used to use anymore before. So it's pretty much neat right now, and I'm gonna send this version pretty soon. So I'm gonna call this version 1.5, right? It's pretty much this today. I'm sorry guys, I haven't posted the last two weeks. It's because I was changing my machine and changing my all the things that I've been doing recently. But I will come back with Kodo, and yeah, and tomorrow probably I'm gonna show you a little bit of vlogging because I was invited to a podcast. So let's see what's gonna happen. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you think about this project, and I see you on the next one.